this here explains why you need some waterproofing on the exterior of your framing walls, because you can see on the inside here how the water's running down. It's coming in either from some bad flashing, or it could be in from some missing mortar in the brick. This is not the bad one here. And of course they didn't have treated lumber on the floor. In this room it's kind of a combination of both. Leaking around the windows and the bricks. And not only that, this wall we're looking at now is a bearing wall. This is what's carrying second floor joists. And that plate's gone too. Leaking water, and so we have to replace the bottom plate, and the same thing on this side. See, we've got one jack here going up to the header. We've got a treated 2x4 has another jack on this side that's going all the way up to the top plate. This would be our second jack. Not much else more you need to do. As this wall is fitting underneath the header, we're doing the same thing over here.